Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cyber McBean Podcast. Today, the topic of discussion is drone network for Guyana's defense. The need for a drone network for the defense of Guyana. This is a view of the command center, ground control station, and the satellite that is used in a drone network. Drone network. Strengthening national security through technological innovation. Guyana, the time is now to invest in your security to protect your citizens. Guyana, with your vast expansion of rainforests, rivers, and mountains, you are a country of immense beauty and strategic importance. However, the natural terrain and remote location pose challenges for national defense and border security. Global security threats. In today's vast evolving landscape of global security threats, the implementation of a drone network presents an innovative and necessary approach to safeguarding Guyana's sovereignty and ensuring the safety of its citizens. The strategic importance of Guyana. Guyana lies in the northeastern corner of South America, sharing borders with Venezuela, Brazil, and Suriname. Guyana borders. These borders span dense forests and largely inaccessible terrains, which makes traditional surveillance and patrol efforts challenging. Additionally, Guyana Maritime Zone, rich in biodiversity and resources, requires robust monitoring to prevent illegal activities such as unauthorized fishing, smuggling, and piracy. The country also faces geopolitical pressures, including ongoing territorial disputes with Venezuela. The complexity of these disputes highlights the need to enhance security measures that can provide real-time intelligence and rapid response capability. Challenge in traditional defense mechanism. Guyana's defense systems have traditionally relied on ground-based patrols and limited aerial surveillance. These methods are often slow and unable to provide comprehensive coverage of the nation's vast territory. The dense rainforest and mountainous region make certain areas inaccessible, preventing timely intervention in case of emergencies or unlawful activities. Also, maintaining a fleet of manned aircraft or helicopters for surveillance is costly. In addition, you have fuel, maintenance, and personal expenses. In case of border incursions or natural disaster, drone can provide immediate situational awareness. Their ability to fly quickly and reach inaccessible areas makes them invaluable during emergencies. For example, drone can assist in search and rescue mission in flooded regions or disaster-hit zone by locating stranded individuals and delivering supplies. Guyana Maritime Security. Guyana's Coastal and Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ, are vulnerable to illegal fishing and piracy. Drones can provide aerial surveillance of coastal waters, helping to track unauthorized vessels and ensuring compliance with maritime laws. Equipped with radar and image technology, drones can detect suspicious activities and relay data to naval forces for interception. For example, Ukraine has effectively employed data use technology, naval drone, and unmanned sea vehicle. Compared to manned aircraft, drone offers a more economical solution for defense and surveillance. They require less fuel, low maintenance costs, and can be operated remotely, reducing personal expenses. This efficiency is particularly relevant for a developing nation like Guyana, where budget constraints often limit defense spending. I'm going to give you an overview here of technological advances. Technological advances. Modern drone technology provides a wide range of applications for defense purpose. Drones can be outfitted with various sensors, including hyperspectacular image and radar systems, allowing them to collect detailed intelligence about terrain, weather conditions, and human activities. Drones can also be integrated in a centralized defense network that utilize artificial intelligence and data analysis. AI-powered algorithms can identify patterns, predict threats, and optimize drone deployment. Drones deployment, further enhancing the efficiency of the overall defense system. In this lesson, I am going to identify environmental and ethical consideration. While drones offer significant advantages, their use must be carefully regulated and address privacy concerns and potential environmental impacts. Laws and policies should be enacted to ensure drones are used responsibly, with strict guidelines for data collection and civilian privacy protection. Additionally, the development of drones in natural habitats must consider the potential disturbance to wildlife, ensuring that their operation do not harm Guyana's rich biodiversity. The way forward and benefit to Guyana. By leveraging modern technology and fostering international partnership, investment in a drone network for defense purposes offers Guyana an opportunity to enhance its national security while addressing the challenges posed by its unique geography. By leveraging modern technology and fostering international partnership, Guyana can position itself as a leader in innovative defense strategies in the region. This step forward is not just about safeguarding borders or responding to threats. It is about ensuring the safety and prosperity of Guyana's citizens. A well-implemented drone network can provide a real-time intelligence and rapid response capabilities necessary to protect the nation's sovereignty and foster a secure environment for its continued development. Finally, I'm going to cover the human role and reducing human risk. Human roles and reducing human risk. Drones reduce risk in dangerous situations and preserve human life. Drones can provide greater persistence over various missions, maintaining optimal performance. I'm going to re-emphasize strengthening national security through technological innovation. Guyana, the time is now. Guyana, the time is now to invest in your security to protect your citizens.